Hi, my name is Gabe Guillen, and I'm a technical marketing engineer at Nozomi Networks. Today, we are going to be discussing Vantage, our cloud solution for the OT and IoT cybersecurity environment. So with that being said, let's go ahead and have a look at this incredible solution. This is the default dashboard, the dashboard that you will be seeing right after logging into your Vantage account. So what you are seeing here, it's a compilation of different elements. The map, where all the sites that you have, regardless of their on their geographical location, which is fantastic. So you have the Vantage IQ, which is our artificial intelligence insights solution that will give you events that are going to be tailor-made. And then we have the assets widget with assets that have been pre-classified for you and shown to you into the IT, IoT, and OT categories. So today we are going to go fast into the different tabs that we have on top as well. And finally, we are going to be seeing the Vantage IQ power and how these events actually help us identify the different threats that we have on our environment. So when we go into the alerts tab, you can see different alerts, thousands of them. So my gut tells me, hey, go ahead and click on the riskier one. So in a scale from 1 to 10, we have 10 as the maximum. So you can have a look at this one just by clicking on it, and you will get all the information about it. So when we go down in this timeline of alerts, you can see, for example, that this is a clear text password that is being requested. Obviously, clear text is not something that you want to have in your environment. When we go back into the alerts, many other things can be found, thousands of them. So making sense of all of these, it's something that Vantage IQ will help us with. But before jumping into the Vantage IQ area, which is very interesting, I want to have a look at the assets. So when you click on assets, you will have a look at every single asset that we have discovered in our environment. So let's have a look at these Melsec Sirius PLC, which is a Mitsubishi Electric company device. You can see here the vendor, the type, the product name, all sorts of information, even the risk that this device represents. It can be associated to different things. When we click on risk, you can see, for example, related to vulnerabilities, to the alerts that are associated to this device, the communications that takes place that are associated to this element in particular, et cetera, et cetera. And this risk, it's going to affect the risk of the site that this device belongs to. So we are talking here about asset risk. We are talking here about managing the risk overall from a holistic point of view and being able to understand how one element or different elements that belongs to particular sites can affect the risk overall and the different actions that we need to take in order to reduce them. So let's go back and have a look at Vantage IQ briefly. When you go here into show more, you will see different events. And each one of these events will be associated to different alerts. When you go on to the results here, you will see that in this case, we have 5 different alerts that are associated to a single event. So for us to identify these, just by having by having a look at the alerts tab, it's really hard. It can be accomplished, but it's going to take us more time. Vantage IQ help us save a lot of time by consolidating this, by monitoring the infrastructure continuously and bringing us these incredible insights so we can take action and we can do whatever is necessary to close this gap. So this was malware detection. When we click on malware detection, we can see which type of malware has been detected, the different elements that are associated to it, and the communication, where this communication is taking place, the different protocols, et cetera, et cetera. So join us for other sessions and have a look at the different features that we have. Vantage is an incredibly complete solution. So join us for other videos, other sessions, and of course, share this with your peers and partners because we want to make sure that they have visibility on this. So thank you very much for joining us today. My name is Gabe Guillen, and I'm a technical marketing engineer at Nozomi Networks. Goodbye.